welcome to Evan Neistat. 6 months ago, I was in the best shape of my life. Now I'm in the worst shape of my life. I had too many California burritos, so I gotta do something about that. You know, I might be in the worst shape of my life, but hey, at least I got an Evo. We just moved, so obviously our house, we have boxes and stuff everywhere. This garage is nowhere near where I want it to be. So today, the wife and I are gonna go to Costco. We're gonna get some shelves. I really wanna get some industrial shelves, and we're gonna turn this little garage, this 2-car garage, into the dream garage. I wanted my own garage for forever, and I made the video this summer of my dream garage, but it was a little 1-car garage like this. In fact, we literally, our old place is literally, that's it. That's our old place right there. That little garage I was so hyped for. Now we have a giant 2-car garage with so much space. I can fit a giant freaking dad wagon in here, plus an Evo, plus have some space in between cars, plus have space for shelves, plus have my quick jacks and my toolbox back there. Like, I'm just so incredibly stoked and excited. So today we're gonna spend a little bit of time decorating the garage and outfitting it to be just the sickest place to work ever, because this is going to be the home for my videos from now on, and I couldn't be more excited about that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So we just got all the way to Costco and we realized that my bumper is still in the back. If you guys don't know, my Lexus, my Jay-Z Lexus is getting painted right now, and we forgot to take it out of the back of my dad's truck yesterday, so I'm gonna have to go tomorrow, and I'm gonna film some of them painting a little bit, but I gotta go all the way back over there to bring them my bumper. Let's go home and clear some space. Oh! Oh! Baby! Evo gang. Oh my god, that was so sketchy. Thankfully, we live super close. We're gonna be driving home just like this today, boys. Big wang gang. Hatch up in the sky, squad. Oh, oh, we good. Oh, this car is so smart. The back hatch like closed itself as much as possible. We made it, baby. These are some massive boys. I'm gonna get the Evo centered into the garage, and we're gonna get to work. Right now, we're just trying to figure out what goes where. Trying to play a game of Tetris to see where these will fit. We're gonna go ahead and open them up and start moving the bases around places. I think I'm gonna have them on this wall, just because we have this little empty space right here. I wish I could put them along the rear wall, but I can't really block the water heater. But the nice thing is, check this out. I've got this place for all of my wheels and my tires, and I also have another set of wheels and tires at my dad's I'm gonna bring here as well. So that's a big reason why we're getting shelves. We'll figure it out, but I think right now we just need to unbox this and really just start fooling around, seeing what the heck we can do. So if we do both of these side by side, it's going to take up roughly that much space, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I'm trying to figure out if I want to sacrifice that much workspace just to get shelves. And over here you see we 100% do not have room for two. That's like a 2-3 foot overlap. Okay, we figured it out. Trust me? Trust me on this. Oh, we got it. Part 1 complete of the shelves. This fits right in this nook. I was gonna make this little space my work area, but this place unfortunately has nowhere to plug into, so I'm gonna keep that as storage. So I'll use that as like 5.3 inventory storage. I need to get something else to prop up this side a little bit so it's not messing with my OCD. But over here, we're gonna go ahead and use the other one. And I am going to, instead of using the whole thing as storage, I'm gonna have the middle section. I'm gonna get a giant, very large piece of sheet metal, and I'm going to make myself a desk, or not a desk, but a workbench, a sort of bench to use. So I'll probably go ahead and store some heavy stuff down here, and then I will go ahead and assemble this, use my mini fridge, and have a centralized location for my jacks and all that kind of stuff, and I think it'll be pretty tight. So let's go ahead and get this other one done so we can start moving on to the next part. Yeah, so Hella Fridge kind of did me dirty, and the drinks that were in there kind of exploded. Oh, there's a 3-month-old beer in here? Oh, yeah. What if we shook it up and just chunked it on the ground?
No.
What if I just drop it? What if I just drop it?
No, it's gonna get
I got it on my face. I'm an idiot. SOS, I'm running low on monsters, boys, so I might have to do a meet or something sometime soon. But we got this one set up. So in the meantime, we are going to go ahead and just use this for my workbench, or maybe get like something flat. I don't know. We're just going to use that as a bench. So anything I need to work on, I'll just put it right here, and that should be that. And I went ahead and just use these for stability and stuff to hang on. That's not supposed to be there. So we're gonna have the fridge right there. I'll probably keep some other stuff just kind of below me, but I'd like some foot space. Maybe keep the jacks or some jack stands in there. The nice thing is we'll have storage. I went ahead and tried to even this one out a little bit more so it looks a little bit better. And what's great is we used this, and we still have tons of wall space for all of our flags. I need to get my garage obviously organized and figure out what I'm gonna do with all this. So we're gonna organize a little bit, and after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and decorate.
Trust me.
No.
Trust me.
No. No. Tell her no.
That's all I was doing. You want to erase the love. He's erasing my love.
I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. I've always wanted to spray one of these, but that's a terrible idea. I shouldn't do that, Evan. Evan, don't do it. Oh. Now, how do I do this? Got it. Check this out. I got the most genius idea. You know, most 240SXs out there are held together by zip ties, so I figured, you know, why won't 6 industrial-sized ones hold it to this? I've been doing a lot of work off camera just to make sure I actually get as much done as I need to get done today, and I think we've made a lot of really good progress. The garage is kind of a mess right now, which is kind of ironic because we're trying to make it not a mess, but let me give you a little tour of what we have figured out so far. Here, I'm gonna clean this up over time. I'm really just trying to get things put away to the destination they need to be right now. It's certainly a mess, but here is gonna be my work area. I'm gonna have, like I said, I'm gonna get a big metal sheet and make this a table for myself. And I might get a vise or something like that to attach to this, but I'll have like a charging station for all of my drills and stuff like that. I'm gonna actually probably go ahead and get a paper towel dispenser and put it right here or something. I'm probably gonna get some sort of lighting to put right here as well. I really wanna get some sort of LED strip to go ahead and put right there to give me some extra light. I haven't hooked up any of this yet, don't worry about that. And I'm really, really excited to be able to finally have like a sort of, it's like my desk. This is my office outside of the office. I have an office inside, but this is like my real office. The garage is definitely a work in progress, but the last thing I need to do is put up my banners. That's the most exciting thing that I've been looking forward to doing all day, but I haven't been able to do that since I didn't know where I'd have space. So I really want to fill up this wall for sure as much as I can, and I'd like to fill up this wall as well. As a space where you need to be creative, you're called to be creative, and you have to enjoy. I think it's really cool to have your own decorations, and not decorations, but your own kind of steez to it. All right, now that I just said steez, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna not talk anymore, and I'm just gonna work and put these flags up. All right, boys, it's finally done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Evo out so I can give you just a good look at the garage. I love how just simple this startup is. It's not super loud, it's just nice and toned down. It looks sick. It's definitely a work in progress, but it's so sick. All right, Evo, and I changed the picture profile, so sorry if it's like a what the heck's going on color, but Evo and Jay-Z Lexus. Here's your new home. This garage is humongous. I still just can't believe, I can't get over how big this garage is. Like, it's unreal. Can you talk about how funny it is that Volkswagen probably made the cheapest flag here? The lowest quality. And ironically, somehow Subaru is probably the best. I don't know how that happened. Actually, Jeep is contested with Volkswagen. This is so sick. Thank you guys so much for all of your flags that you've given me before. Shout out to my boy in Australia, whoever sent me that. Shout out to my, gotta rip the Australian fans. This flag is my absolute favorite because this is the flag that when I was moving to California, my final meet, I was like, okay, I want to remember you guys in Texas. This is all my Texas boys. This is how many people came out and supported the meet. Not everybody even signed too, so there's so many people. Got that Red Bull, because you know, of course, Monster's always got to be on top of Red Bull because Monster's better. Again, you already know that situation. We got that situation going on. I did a little bit here. And by the way, do you guys want to see, this is my old Evo wheel. My old Miata wheel. Do you want to see this wheel on the Evo or get a new one? Let me know in the comment section. I think I might want to carry on the legacy and keep this wheel, maybe put this wheel on the Evo. Got the tool chest in the corner. I got my bride backpack, you already know. Jack's over here. I got some just stuff laying right here. Don't worry about that. But like, dude. And I got all my tires and stuff back there. Not exactly sure where I'm going to keep the rest of my tires when I get them back, but I like that we were able to do all this without taking up a bunch of space. You know, I didn't take up all this space. We still have space on the side to get out. We still have space on the side over here to get out. We have good space for storage over here. Got a nice bench. I literally am I'm so stoked. Thank you guys for being a part of this channel and letting this happen for us. This is really awesome. The fact that my job is to wake up every day and do something stupid to cars or literally organize a garage for an entire day. Now, it has been literally an entire day. It is almost 7, I think. Thank you, Daylight Savings. I love Daylight Savings. I am tired and I'm pretty sure it didn't eat lunch, so I'm gonna go. But I'll give you one good look at this again. Just from the outside, baby. So awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and tomorrow we're gonna get to doing some more stuff to the Evo. We're finally actually gonna start modifications and taking some good care of it. So thank you guys again. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out and be victorious. Now here we go, here the deal. I got 2 videos right in front of you. Do not exit out. I need you to click on one of those videos, and I need you to keep watching. Unless you're just not a bro, unless you're not my boy. If you're my boy, then you'll keep watching. Anyways, deuce.